Hi, Gary Elm here with Vision Engineering to introduce you to the G3 Mantis, Pixo, Ergo, and Iota. The Mantis Iota is the new compact. It's still a single lens system. It has a magnification range of 3, 4, 6, and 8 times using a single objective lens that's very easy to change. The Iota has improved optics, giving better working distance and field of view compared to the earlier compact. Lighting is now adjustable. So you have 26 points that you can dim the LEDs through. Here we have the Mantis Iota on our Verso arm. The Verso arm moves freely and adjusts easily. An option with this stand is the ability to add an extension, giving you more than 8 inches of additional reach, and now much freer articulation of the head. Here we have our Mantis Pixo, identical to the Mantis Ergo, except the Pixo has a camera in it. The Pixo Ergo also features adjustable lighting, so we can dim it. It also has directional lighting, so we can light from one side or the other if directional light improves the subject. Our Pixo Ergo is on the new Stabilis stand. It has nice focus control, which is a good thing to have if you happen to have the camera in it. Also features the option of backlighting in the Stabilis stand. Another option on the Stabilis stand is our pilot stage. Unlike the previous floating stage, this stage remains stationary until you unlock it, and then it free floats wherever you would like to go, and once you park it, it stays in position. The new Pixo Ergo has a 3-position turret in it, so you can rotate through 3 different objectives. The turret is bi-directional, so you can go in either direction without hitting a dead stop. The magnification range on the Pixo Ergo is now 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, and as high as 15. The Pixo is now supplied with a 5-megapixel camera. The chip is supplied by IDS out of Germany, and it uses their software suite, which is Peak software. Produces a very high resolution image. Captured images file size can range up to 30 meg, so it's a lot of data in a picture. The G3 Mantis is the continuation of the Mantis family, originally introduced in 1994, and it is still the stereo viewer of choice.